live trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 19th to the 23rd of May 2025 on Monday. Will Melokutle be kicked off the internship? Kamogelo want to take matters into her own hands. Kumo is shocked to witness an emotional meltdown on Tuesday. Namhla plant doubt in her mother's mind. Is pair revealing too much to the wrong people? Lulu decide to give it alone or decide to go it alone on Wednesday. It's not easy for the great Jack Mabaso to swallow his pride. Kia is a nervous wreck as she waits to hear what's happening. Mpho is shocked to see who's joining them for dinner on Thursday. Babule Kone overhears a conversation he shouldn't. Mbega's phone does a disappearing act. Ayanda isn't comfortable with what Star wants to do on Friday. A happy mother's mood is ruined when Dirito or Ditiro calls. Namhla is not the only one doing secret surveillance. Figile is stand to be presented with the truth. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.